right size mix system is key for HDD operations of all sizes. The new MX300 mixing system is designed for maximum productivity. It allows you to arrange the setup to meet your needs. You can customize your mixing system with the power unit, choosing a 750-gallon tank or a 1,000-gallon tank. Big mixing power comes with a slim fit, a rectangular profile which is 9 inches narrower than the MX240 mixing system. That allows for convenient transport and storage. But the real question is, how does it mix? The answer, clean and smooth. A suction hose with a wide mouth hopper pairs with the tapered bottom of the rectangular tank. This helps prevent drilling fluid additives from settling, reduces buildup, and aids in drainage. The mixing process is driven by a 23 horsepower engine, providing 350 gallons per minute of pump flow to provide the performance you need on the job. And a 16-gallon fuel tank means you'll spend more time mixing than refilling. Back at the shop, machine maintenance is made efficient with convenient access to the roll jets at the top of the tank. And when you purchase the Vermeer Confidence Plus Asset Protection Program, you'll have a fixed cost over the life of the extended service package. That way you'll know your cost up front for the primary service intervals, parts, fluid, and labor with a single and predictable payment. A narrow footprint with the option to configure it the way you want it. The MX300 is ready to mix.